Let me hand it over to Ashesha to wrap up how the closing trades have been for us.
Well, absolutely. It turned out to be a volatile day on Dalal Street today. We gave up most of those morning gains, nearly 150 to 200 points lower from the day's highest point. Nifty ending with gains of nearly 60 odd points. 25,440 is where the Nifty is ending today. Remember, banks were gainers yesterday. We saw that big jump up of about 500 points on Nifty banking index yesterday, and the trend continued today. Nifty Bank continued to outperform. 320 points gain over there. 53,070 is where Nifty Bank ended. Some of the top gainers on Nifty, let's put the spotlight on NTPC on the back of news that company subsidiary has filed for an IPO for SEBI. The stock was holding with gains of nearly 3%, one of the top gainers on Nifty 50 index. Apart from this, Kotak Mahindra Bank and Nestle were other top gainers on Nifty. On the losing side though, let's talk about Nifty PSU banking index. We saw that downtrend come in yesterday. Today also Nifty PSU banking index was the biggest sectoral loser. We had the likes of Punjab and Sindh Bank, IOB and UCO Bank, some of the top losers on that list. Apart from this, oil marketing companies, BPCL, HPCL, IOCL, all these three stocks saw cuts of over 3% today on the back of reports which suggested that perhaps fuel price cuts could be undertaken. BPCL ending the day 3.5% lower. Vodafone Idea and Indus Tower, the other big newsmakers of the day after that Supreme Court verdict. We had Vodafone Idea down nearly 19% and Indus Tower was also sitting with a cut of 8.5%. On the flip side though, Bharti Airtel touched record highs in today's trading session. Apart from that, Exide Industries was also in focus. Citi came out with a report where they went ahead and cut their target price to 560. Exide Industries down 2%. A whole host of Alcobev stocks were also in focus today on the back of decision that came in from Andhra Pradesh government where they've gone ahead and come up with their new liquor policy. We had United Breweries up 3.5%. United Spirits and Radico Khaitan were also gaining in trade today on the back of this news flow. Apart from that, Brainbreeze Solutions, a recently listed entity where we had two big brokerage reports that came in. Morgan Stanley, which has initiated an outperform rating with a target price of 818. We also had a BOFA note, the stock sitting with gains of nearly 1.5%. AU Small Finance Bank, let's also talk about this stock where Motilal Oswal came out with a report where they are maintaining their buy stance and a target price of 830. So clearly we had a whole host of newsmakers and movers in trade today. But at the index level, Nifty of course ending with gains of nearly 60 odd points. But that's all the time we have on this edition of the show. Stay tuned to ET Now.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.